before we start, do I have your permission to use this video for educational purposes? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna just ask a few questions about your journey.
Okay.
If you can do your best to answer my questions in a full sentence, because I'm gonna cut my voice out and make it more about you.
Okay.
So how long did you have your pain before you visited us?
I've been in pain for a little over 4 years, and it went from bad to worse until I was out of options, and everything was really difficult.
Was there something that initially started your pain?
I'm not sure why I have the pain, but I had spasms in my lower back, and it was terrible. I couldn't get out of bed, and I screamed a lot, and I went to the emergency room, and they said nothing, absolutely nothing. So then I didn't have the spasms again, but I had a lot of pain down my legs and lower back.
Okay, and then how did you find out about Inspire Spine?
Well, on the internet. And I actually went to look because I went to a regular surgeon, and the procedure seemed barbaric and seemed awful. And then when I looked into what they actually do, I thought there must be something better. And so after a long search, I found there was a place in Germany that offered new techniques, and I wrote to them, and they said, well, they do that in America. You just have to find it. And so I did, and I looked into a few places, but this was my top choice, and it seemed like the place where it all started from. So I called here, and I was delayed because when I tried to do the insurance, they said mine didn't cover it. So then I looked at other places, and I was had been scheduled for surgery at 2 other places and bailed at the last minute. And then I contacted my insurance and said, is there any way I could use Inspired Spine? And they said yes. And so I proceeded, and I contacted this office, and it was easy to figure it all out, and made an appointment. And I talked to the doctor on video, and he was fabulous, and I really felt comfortable, and I knew I'd found the right place. So, and everything's gone so well, except for the pain, which I expected. Didn't expect so much pain, but no one does. Didn't expect. So it's been great. Every section, every part of this procedure has gone really, really well.
Wonderful, thank you.
Yeah.
And I will